Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Trax. Fun to drive, easy to park, this Trax simplifies your life and helps you explore your adventurous side. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, air conditioning, streaming audio, manual tilting steering column, Wi-Fi hotspot, external memory control, aluminum wheels, wireless phone connectivity, and smartphone wireless charging. The Car Connection calls it a smart package for city dwellers who value practicality over power or style. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.